I'm with FightLite Industries, and our AMG3 is being presented here. It is the ultra lightweight, technologically advanced belt-fed system for the modern battlefield. The AMG3. Our AMG3 stands for Assault Machine Gun 3. Ultimately, it's a very lightweight, as I said, belt-fed upper receiver conversion assembly. You can take this upper receiver system and you can install it onto any M4, M16, AR-15 lower receiver assembly. And what that gives you is the operator now has the ability to feed not only from the box magazines that they're used to utilizing on a system, but they also can feed, in this instance, you can tell, the belted ammunition. Right, so you have the belted ammunition capability. This uses the same M27 disintegrating length 5.56 ammunition that is used in something like the M249 SAW or the FN Minimi. So it's already existing, basically components that are in the military industrial complex, sitting in inventories everywhere throughout the world with our partner countries and nations. So the AMG3 is the latest revolution in our product line of very technologically advanced systems. It uses a short stroke gas piston system. It has an adjustable gas regulator here on the barrel assembly, and it also has a quick change barrel system, right? So that quick change barrel, if I lock the bolt to the rear here, I'm able to now go ahead and pull the barrel out the front of the rifle, because of course, with a proper squad automatic weapon, you will need to be able to swap out the barrels when it gets hot, or if you just needed to change the mission configuration profile for the operator. So our system is compatible with suppressors. Our system is very, well designed and engineered. We've been making ultimately these lightweight belt-fed systems for the last 23 years there in our facility in Florida, USA. So it's that simple to go ahead and swap the barrel on one of our rifles here. And again, as I mentioned before, not only can you feed the box magazines, but you can, not only can you feed the belted ammunition, but you can also feed the box magazines. So if the belt runs out and you're out of ammunition, you can transition very quickly to magazines and keep the rifle up and running. Guys, this is the FightLite AMG. We call this the Micro. AMG stands for Assault Machine Gun. This is the lightest belt-fed machine gun in the world. What you're looking at here is a 3.6 kilogram upper receiver conversion assembly that can be utilized in this configuration. It's belt feed only, right? So you have a top feed tray cover here. You can open that, install your ammunition belt. Right? In this case, it's the same ammunition belt like what's used with the SAW program. It again has a quick change barrel system, and you also on this model have a 10.3 inch barrel. So it's a very, very, very lightweight, weapons platform. In this case, we have the 200 round drum from the M249 installed.